Food shoppers, please take care of your personal belongings and do not leave them unattended. Especially your bags, wallets, and cell phones. And please be your seatbelt. A friendly reminder from Miss Sandra and everyone. Thank you and enjoy your shopping.
Phoenix One, please, and Phoenix One, please.
Ano